Welcome back to our Photoshop Beginner series. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most powerful features of Photoshop, layers. Think of layers like sheets of transparent paper, stacked on top of each other. You can draw, edit, and rearrange each sheet without affecting the others. To create a new layer, click the plus icon in the Layers panel, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. To rename a layer, just double-click on the layer name. To duplicate a layer, press Ctrl plus J. Layer order matters. The topmost layer appears above everything else. You can rearrange layers just by dragging them up or down. Opacity controls how see-through a layer is. Try lowering it to blend things better. Blending modes like multiply, overlay, and screen can give you amazing effects. That's a wrap on layers. Play around, experiment, and you'll get the hang of it fast.